You searched how to buy shares of SSR Mining Inc. SSR Mining Inc. is a precious metals mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SSRM, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker SSRM to locate the company listing. Select the matching result to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct SSRM listing. Make sure the company details match SSR Mining Inc. before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.